Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how I made this super sturdy, transportable die or pong table. Okay, as you can see, it's currently in transportation mode with the legs strapped down with 2 ratchet straps. And these ratchet straps play a very vital role in the table's assembly later. Alright, first, I'm going to undo the ratchet straps and prop the legs up. Alright, now I'm going to put in the horizontal support beams that go to each leg. So each of the beams are held in here when stored, and they've got eye hooks on them right here. They're very important. I'll show you why here soon. The beam fits right in that groove, piece of wood, and then a notch here fits right in the leg. What's important is you take your ratchet strap, hook it to the leg here, and hook it to the side of the table here. Pull it tight. And tighten it up. So what this ratchet strap is doing is keeping this horizontal piece tight against the legs. So now the legs do not move when you give them a shake. If you couldn't see it, that piece fits in right here in a notch with 2 2x4s there. And then on the floor of the board, 2 more pieces of 2x4s, keep it from going side to side. And there's the ratchet strap, keeping it tight. Okay, now time to stand the table up. The table is stood up now. As you can see, I haven't painted my table yet, but here it is. Full size die table, 40 inches tall, with a 4x8 sheet of plywood, and it's sturdy. You can shake it and it does not move. So underneath, you can see the straps keeping it rigid. Oh yeah, and hinges I use look like that on the 4x4s. And also put down some extra plywood here, just kind of like make that area a little bit more rigid where the hinges are. But yeah, that's it.